The things I can do with Thing 1, iPad Pro, and Thing 2, Apple Pencil. Super excited to unpackage my new iPad Pro with M1 chip and my initials engraved on it. With the M1 chip, the iPad Pro is supposed to be the fastest device of its kind, and it's still thin and light with all-day battery life. The 8-core CPU of M1 provides iPad 50% faster performance, and the 8-core GPU provides it 40% faster graphic performance. And here is my name. And the liquid retina display on the 11 inches iPad Pro makes everything feel responsive and looks stunning. iPad Pro also features a new ultra-wide camera with the center stage, making it perfect for video calls. Subscribe to see the unpackaging of Apple Pencil and the things I can do with these. I'm Gargi Sharma and I work for Microsoft.